In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block an application from accessing the internet in Windows 11. Fix today here, let's begin. Start by clicking the search bar on your taskbar and type Windows Defender Firewall resource. Take a moment to type it clearly, then click Windows Defender Firewall from the search results. Once the window opens, look at the left sidebar and click Advanced Settings. This will open the Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security window. In the left panel, click Outbound Rules. This section controls which applications are allowed to send data out through your internet connection. Now move to the right side of the window and click New Rule. A setup wizard will appear. Select the Program option, then click Next. At this point, minimize the firewall window temporarily and locate the application you want to block from the internet. Right-click the application shortcut or icon and choose Open File Location. This will open the folder containing the application files. Inside that folder, find the executable file with the .exe extension. Right-click on that file and select Copy as path. Now return to the Firewall Rule Wizard. Click inside the field labeled this program path, then paste the copied path. After pasting it, remove the quotation marks from the very beginning and the very end of the path. This step is important because the firewall rule may not work correctly if the quotation marks remain. Once the path is ready, click Next. On the next screen, select Block the connection, then click Next again. Make sure Domain, Private, and Public are all checked. These options ensure the application is blocked on every network type. Once all three are selected, click Next. Now, type a clear name for your rule. You can use the application name followed by words like Internet Blocked, so it's easy to recognize later. After entering the name, click Finish to save the rule. If the application still manages to access the internet, repeat the same process again under Inbound Rules instead of Outbound Rules. This blocks incoming traffic as well and fully restricts the application's internet access. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.